things that I would really use on this box that would make me want to purchase it. And then bam, it works.
He always was confident. He always was self-assured.
Good deal.
I never saw him doubt.
All right, so my first impressions on this box, I think it is very useful to have if you do have a SIM card. I have not tried like a hotspot location or anything off my phone to run it through the system's Wi-Fi, because I have no intentions on using it that way, so I can't speak on it. In terms of having a SIM card already for my box, I think this works tremendously so far. So I think that I will only be using this for YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, and then internet browsing occasionally when I'm on the go, or when the lady needs to use the internet for some odd reason that she can't use her phone. That's a possibility. So I think that this is a great box to have if you do have children and they're wanting to watch movies, or your passenger wants to watch a movie, but obviously I will not be watching a movie while I drive, just due to safety concerns, obviously. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just make sure to reach out, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think.